नमस्ते, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुई धागा इंदौर से. So it's Friday 2 p.m. and I'm back with something new and something special for you. And this time we are here with Chanderi Bagh print sarees. So guys, before starting I just want to tell you कि अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल so that you will not miss any of the video. We have launched so many things for your festive collections, for your weddings सीज़न. सो अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अगर आपको हमारे वीडियो पसंद आते हैं सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन एंड येस ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन शेयर विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स ऑल ऑफ दीज वीडियोज़. एंड फॉर मोर डिटेल्स you can connect with us at 9039717636 as well as we are on Instagram page that is studio_sui_dhaga by Anuja Jain. Our website is also up. You can do shopping from that also. It's www.studiosuidhaga.com. So let me start with today's collection. Today we have Chanderi and Maheshwari both Bagh print sarees, and yes, the all are hand block printed sarees. So one by one I'll open the sarees for you. One I have showcased on the stand, so very clearly you can see the sarees. Rest will share the pictures at the end of the video, as you all know. And those who are new, I just want to tell something to them. We just make a video of our product every Friday, and then at the end of the video you will get the code of the picture as well as full details on that picture, so that it's easy for you to choose the product. So let me start today's video. Chanderi and Maheshwari Bagh print sarees. So guys, this is the first sarees that we have displayed. It's a beautiful Maheshwari saree, Bagh print. There is only slightly difference in the fabric of Chanderi and Maheshwari. So you can see beautiful pallu, and this is the whole saree. And here we displayed the blouse print, and this is the lower body of the saree. So guys, this is the first saree. It's a basic color of the Bagh, a cream color. Okay, so I'll start showing you one by one sarees what we have. So this is the first saree on Chanderi. First I'll show you the collection of Chanderi. So this is the first saree. You can see it has beautiful pallu, and inside this is the blouse. So this is the first saree I have opened for you. Rest I'll just show you. So it's like this is your pallu of the saree. You can see beautifully work done. And of course in the picture you will see all the details of the saree, what is the blouse and everything. Guys, this is the second saree on a beautiful maroon color. This is the part of the body, and this is the pallu. In the picture you will get to see the whole saree very clearly. I'll just show you. That this is on red color. This is the whole bit of the saree, and this is the pallu. It's a lovely red color. And yes, there will be some slightly change in the color जो आप वीडियो में देख रहे हैं और जो पिक्चर्स में आते हैं, इसलिए मैं आपको क्लियरली बोल रही हूँ. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द ब्लैक एंड द मजेंटा कलर. So you can see. And this is the pallu of the saree. Then it's full saree on the combination of magenta. Each and every sari has a beautiful pallu, a very different design. So this is magenta color, and this is the pallu of the sari. A geometrical print touch is there. Next is on blue color. It's a lovely blue color. You can see this is the pallu. This is the bottom of the sari, and this is the pallu. Then we have next butta on the same blue color. It's a small butta, and this is the pallu of the sari. And they are very elegant, simple shower. These sarees never get out of fashion because these are our traditional wears. So it's like you just choose your color, your print, what is your favorite one. It's a lovely jal on the orangish color. We can call it also a bhagwa color, as well as the combination of the maroon. And this is the pallu of the sari. It's a lovely combination, perfect for the traditional wears. Then next we have on the green combination. So this is the print of the sari, and this is the pallu. It's a beautiful green color, a little bit lighter tone of the bottle green. Then we have yellow color. It's a dark lemon yellow color. I just love yellow combinations. So you can see this is the bottom of the sari, and this is the palla. Then we have again a green color butta. See, it's a green color, and yes, this is the palla of the sari. And something very different, those who have like हमारे पास तो सारे colors है, so this time we have, this is something very different color. It's a very beautiful color. It's a purple color, and the printing of this sari is also very different. So I'll just open it. You can see this is the sari, bottom of the sari, and beautifully geometrical print blouse is here. Every sari is beautiful, but this is something very different combination we got it. And yes, this is the pallu of the sari. It's a very beautiful purple color, you can say. See the grace of the sari. It's very nice. And the buta is as usual my favorite. Some people call it Amya print and it's a carry print. And here is the traditional color of the bag, the maroon and the cream combination. So yes, we have this one. This is the body of the sari. It's a very different buta with pallu. Then we have next is again the same traditional color of bag, but just love the colors and the butas every time. So this is the bottom, and yes, this is the pallu of the sari. Then we have the next combination. This is the buta. It's a very beautiful buta, and yes, this is the pallu of the sari. And here is a beautiful red color. So this is the whole bottom of the sari, and this is the buta. Oh sorry, this is the pallu of the sari. And yes, it's a very beautiful mustard color. So this is the buta, and this is the pallu of the sari. Then we have, this is the maroon combination with the mustard. It's a very beautiful buta and with the pallu. Then the same combination, but the print is different. It's a jal print, and yes, this is the pallu of the sari. Then it's a beautiful combination of the maroon and the magenta. Yes, it's a maroon and the magenta combination. It's a very graceful sari. This is the jal of the sari, and yes, this is the pallu of the sari. It's a very settled and beautiful color. And we have a very lovely chocolatey color with a beautiful buta, a carry buta. That is my favorite, all-time favorite color buta. So you can see this is the buta, and this is the pallu of the sari. Then we have 4-5 pieces we have on Maheshwari also. So this was the collection on the Chanderi silk. Now we have few pieces on the Maheshwari. So this is the first piece I have shown you on the Maheshwari silk. Then the one I am wearing is also a Maheshwari one. You can see. And then one piece, this is again on Maheshwari, but it has a touch of Banarsi border. So you can see this is the body of the sari, and yes, this is the pallu. It's a perfect sari for your traditional functions. So this was on Maheshwari. We have 2 more pieces on Maheshwari. So this is the one. It's a very small boot of carry. With this beautiful pallu. And yes, here is the last piece of the video, again on Maheshwari silk, but yes, it has this beautiful bootas, black base sari with this pallu. It's a lovely color combinations, and yes, blouses of this different print. So guys, this was the beautiful collection of Chanderi and Maheshwari sarees on Bag. I know you all must be waiting to know what is the pricing, and it's a very friendly pocket friendly price, I must say. And the pricing for these sarees is 2,999 only. Yes, 2,999 only for the each sarees, and this is the offer of the day. And here you can see a beautiful video recorded by Rashmi ji. She is full of energy, positive, always just carry herself in a very trendy way. She is a banker by profession and mother of 2 beautiful daughters. Every time she shared so energetic videos that I just love, and I just wish sometime I'll get a chance to dance with her, enjoy each and every moment the way she did. Hope you also like her this beautiful way of presenting. And she is carrying a lovely anarkali created by Studio Sri Dhaga. Thank you, Rashmi ji. So you are the winner, and soon you will get your lovely gift by Studio Sri Dhaga. So guys, hope you enjoy this वीडियो बाय अस. डू शेयर विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, एंड अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल. And every Friday we launch some new products. So guys, see you next week. Now I'll show you all the pictures of these sarees with their code. So please watch them very carefully. Codes, description, everything is on the picture. And for more details you can connect with us at 9039717636. See you next week, Friday 2 p.m. This is Anuja Jain from Studio Sri Dhaga. Have a nice weekend. Bye.